greetings of the session. This is the continuation of wave synthesis and Laplace transform of waveforms. So in this session we will solve more problems on wave synthesis and hence find a Laplace transform. So first is find the Laplace transform of half wave rectified sine waveform. So first, what is the half wave rectified sine waveform is? So this is the half wave rectified sine waveform. Let it be magnitude as some I, and this is t by 2, and this is t, 3t by 2, and so on. Now by observing this I will consider as f of t. Now by observing this waveform, it is a periodic with the fundamental waveform. Fundamental waveform is up to t it is a sine, and up to t by 2 it is sine, then up to t by 2 to t it is a 0. Now this is f1 of t. Now first write expression for f1 of t, and then to find a Laplace transform of f of t, use the property Laplace transform of periodic signal. So now f1 of t, this f1 of t this is I, f1 of t, and this is t by 2 is equal to sum of the two sine signals. This we have already studied in the previous session. This is the I, this is t by 2, this is t, plus to this I am adding another signal which starts from t by 2, t, and so on. By doing this, what I will get? This 0 to t by 2 it is a sine, t by 2 to t, this is in the negative form, this is in positive, so it cancels, and further it will get cancelled. So it will remains with this f1 of t. So f1 of t is equal to I, magnitude is I, sine omega. Omega is what? 2 pi by t, because the period of this sine wave is t, 2 pi by t into t, plus I into sine, period is same, 2 pi by t, into t minus t by 2. T minus t by 2 because it is a shifted version of sine signal to t by 2. So Laplace transform of this f1 of s, f1 of s is equal to I into 2 pi by t divided by s square plus 2 pi by t whole square, plus I is constant. So what happens is e to the power minus t by 2s into 2 pi by t s square plus 2 pi by t whole square, because this is t minus tau. So e to the power tau s into Laplace transform of sine. So this is equal to I 2 pi I by t, if I take outside, 1 by plus e to the power minus t by 2s divided by s square plus 2 pi by t whole square. So this is f1 of s. So what happens to f of s now? F of s, it is equal to, it is a periodic signal with the period t. So it is f1 of s divided by 1 minus e to the power minus tau s, ts. That is 2 pi I by t 1 plus or ts by 2 divided by s square plus 2 pi by t whole square into 1 by 1 minus e to the power minus ts. So e to the power minus 1 minus e to the power minus ts can be written as 1 minus e to the power minus ts by 2 into 1 plus e to the power minus ts by 2. So 1 plus gets cancelled. So it is 2 pi I by t into s square plus 2 pi by t whole square into 1 by 1 minus e to the power minus ts by 2. So this is the Laplace transform of half wave rectified sine waveform. Okay, so we will move to the next problem. Find the Laplace transform of full wave rectified sine wave. Full wave rectified sine waveform means all are I. This is f of t. Now this is periodic signal of this is t by 2, t, 3t by 2 and so on. So here there is a difference. Here it is periodic signal with the fundamental f1 of t. So here period is t by 2. So what is the f1 of t? We have already derived the expression. F1 of t is equal to I into sine 2 pi by t into t. This remains same because this is the combination of 2 plus I into sine 2 pi by t into t minus t by 2. So it is similar to the previous one. So f1 of s also equal to 2 pi I, I'll write directly 2 pi I by t into 1 minus e to the power minus s by 2 divided by s square plus 2 pi by t whole square. This is similar to previous problem, but only thing is f of s equal to f1 of s divided by 1 minus e to the power minus ts by 2. So here it is plus, here it is plus. So here it is 1 minus e to the power minus. So this f of s becomes 2 pi I by t into 1 by s square plus 2 pi by t whole square into 1 plus e to the power minus ts by 2 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus ts by 2. 1 minus e to the power 1 plus e to the power ts by 2 divided by 1 minus it. So further I can simplify this as 2 pi I by t 1 by s square plus 2 pi by t whole square into cot hyperbolic of ts by 2. So this is the final Laplace transform of periodic wave, full wave rectified sine waveform. Next, find the Laplace transform of a rectangular waveform. Rectangular waveform, in sense, in the question it is given so this is the V and this is minus V. Now for this waveform, find Laplace transform. Now from the given question we can identify that it is a continuous signal. Okay, it is a continuous and it is periodic. So this signal, okay, tau, 2 tau, 3 tau time. So the given signal is periodic with the time period 2 tau. So what is the fundamental signal? So fundamental signal is, this is F1 fundamental, F1 of t. So where this is V and this is minus V. Now for the periodic signal we know that f of s equal to f1 of s divided by 1 minus e to the power minus ts, where t is the time period. Now here time period is 2 tau. Time period is 2 tau and I need to find out f1 of s. So to find out the f1 of s, I need mathematical expression of f1 of t. So f1 of t. So this waveform is a combination of straight lines, right? Now what is the first step? So check what is the magnitude at t is equal to 0. So magnitude at t is equal to 0 is v. So what we are trying? V u of t. So as the magnitude at t is equal to 0 is v, so v u of t. Then what is the slope of the line? Start from t is equal to 0. Slope of the line, this is parallel to x-axis or t-axis, so slope is 0. So as the slope is 0, nothing to write. Now what is the change in a slope? So here slope is 0, here also slope is 0. Correct? Change in a slope is 0. So this is the zero slope line. This is also zero slope line. So change in a slope is 0. But change in a magnitude. What is the change in a magnitude? Change in a magnitude B is equal to, what is the new magnitude? Minus V. Initial magnitude V. So this is minus V minus V. This is the change in a magnitude. That is minus 2V. Change in a magnitude of minus 2V at t is equal to tau. So add minus 2V u of t minus tau. Correct? Change in a slope is not there, but change in a magnitude. Now, at 2 tau, once again magnitude changes. At 2 tau, once again magnitude changes. Slope remains the same. Slope is 0 slope, 0 slope. So what is the change in a magnitude? Change in a magnitude again at 2 tau is, at 2 tau, change in a magnitude B equal to, what is it? 0 is the final value, 0 minus minus V. So that is equal to V. So add plus V u of t minus 2 tau. So now this line, slope is 0, magnitude is also 0. So it ends. So this is the mathematical expression of f1 of t. So now find Laplace transform. f1 of s equal to v u of t, that is v by s minus 2v u of t minus tau. So that is e to the power minus tau s divided by s. This is plus v e to the power minus 2 tau s by s. So I can take v by s outside. So it is 1 minus 2 e to the power minus tau s plus e to the power minus 2 tau s. So 1 plus e to the power tau s whole square. So e to the power minus 2 tau s minus 2. So this I can write as v by s into 1 minus e to the power minus tau s whole square. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab minus plus b square. So this is f1 of s. So f of s, what happens? F of s is v by s into 1 minus e to the power minus tau s whole square divided by f1 of s divided by this one. So 1 minus e to the power minus 2 tau s. So it is like 1 minus e to the power tau s square, e to the power minus tau s square. So it is equal to v by s into 1 minus e to the power minus tau s square divided by a square minus b square can be written as a minus b, a plus b. So one of these things gets cancelled. So it is v by s into 1 minus e to the power minus tau s divided by 1 plus e to the power minus tau s. So this is Laplace transform of this rectangular waveform. Now let us see the next problem. Find the Laplace transform of staircase waveform. Staircase waveform is something like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now this is up to 1 it is 0, 1 to 2 it is 1, 2 to 3 it is 2, 3 to 4 it is 3, 4 onwards it is 0. This is the finite waveform, means it has a non-zero value from 1 to 4. Now to write the f of t, what is the first step? Check the change in the magnitude. Is there any magnitude change? No, it is 0 only. So first expression is need not write. Next, slope of the line, initial line start from 0. It is also slope is 0. So nothing to write. Then next, what is the slope of this line? 0. What is the change in the magnitude? 1. Change in the magnitude 1 at 1. So it is u of t minus 1. 1 u of t minus 1. Because 1 is the magnitude, u of t minus 1 step at t is equal to 1. Then at 2, once again magnitude changes from 1 to 2. At 2, magnitude changes from 1 to 2. So what is the change in the magnitude? 2 minus 1, 1. So plus 1 u of t minus 2. Because this step change takes place at t is equal to 2. Then at 3, magnitude changes from 2 to 3. At 3, magnitude changes from 2 to 3. Change in the magnitude is 3 minus 2, 1. So plus u of t minus 3. Plus u of t minus 3, 1. Magnitude is 1. Then at 4, magnitude changes from 3 to 0. At 4, magnitude changes from 3 to 0. So what is the change in magnitude? Minus 3. So minus 3 u of t minus 4. Minus 3 u of t minus 4. 4 onwards, magnitude is 0, slope is also 0. So stop. So this is for finite waveform. Now find f of s, Laplace transform of f of t. What is the Laplace transform of 1 u of t minus 1? E to the power minus s by s. Because this is 1. E to the power minus s by s. Plus e to the power minus 2s by s. Because this by s is because of u of t. U of t minus tau, e to the power minus tau s by s. So plus e to the power minus 3s by s minus 3 into e to the power minus 4s by s. So I can take this as e to the power minus s plus e to the power minus 2s plus e to the power minus 3s minus 3 e to the power minus 4s by s. So this is the Laplace transform of given waveform. Next, find the Laplace transform of waveform. So this is tau, this is 2 tau, this is E, this is minus E. So this is f of t. Now by seeing this waveform, it is infinite waveform, continuous and infinite, because it is continuous. It goes up to infinity. So if such a case, check whether it is periodic. Now if I start from t equal to 0, this. This is repeating. So this is fundamental waveform. So E minus E, this is f1 of t. So write the expression of f1 of t, because whenever the signal is periodic, then Laplace transform of the periodic signal is f of s equal to f1 of s by 1 minus e to the power tau s. So this is period tau. Now write the expression for f of t. Now, is there any change in a magnitude at t is equal to 0? Yes. Change in a magnitude is E. So, it is E u of t. Then, what is the slope of the line? Start from t is equal to 0. So, this is the line which starts from t is equal to 0. So, slope of the line. What is the slope of the line? Change in a magnitude divided y by change in a x. So, change in a y is minus e minus e. So, minus 2e by tau is the slope, because this difference tau minus 0 minus e minus e. So, minus 2e. Minus 2e by tau is the slope. Then it is t u of t, because it starts from t equal to 0. Next, what is next? At tau, slope changes. Up to tau, slope is same. At tau, slope changes. So, what is the slope of next line? It is 0. Slope of next line is 0. So, what is the change in a slope? Change in a slope. So, 0 minus slope of this line. Change in a slope is 0 minus slope of this line. That means plus 2e by tau is a change in a slope. So this is 0, 0 slope. This is minus 2e by tau slope. So change in a slope is 0 minus 2e by tau. So plus 2e by tau. So change in a slope is 2e by tau at t is equal to tau. So it is t minus tau u of t minus tau. Now I am discussing only about change of slope. Now what is the change of magnitude? So this magnitude is minus e, this magnitude is 0. This magnitude is 0. So change in a magnitude is 0 minus minus e. So it is plus e. So whenever change in a magnitude into u of t minus tau. After this, magnitude is 0, slope is 0. So it is ends. So this is the expression for f1 of t. So now what is f1 of s? f1 of s. So it is eu of t means e by s minus 2e by tau, it is constant. So based on a linearity property, t u of t, it is 1 by s square plus 2e by tau, once again it is constant, so based on linearity property. Now t minus tau u of t minus tau, t minus tau u of t minus tau. So it is e to the power minus tau s by s square. E to the power minus tau s by s square. So then e u of t minus tau. So it is e to the power minus tau s by s. So this is the f1 of s. If I simplify, e by s, if I take outside, e by s. So it is 1 plus e to the power minus tau s plus minus plus 2e by tau s square. If I take a common outside, 2e by tau s square, 1 minus 1 plus e to the power minus tau s. So this is f1 of s. So f of s equal to f1 of s divided by 1 minus e to the power tau s, because period is tau. So it is e by s into 1 plus e to the power minus tau s plus 2e by tau e to the power minus tau s by 1 tau s square whole divided by 1 minus e to the power minus tau s. So this is f of s. So like this, for any given Laplace transform, we need to find for any given waveform, we need to find mathematical expression, and from the mathematical expression, we need to find Laplace transform of the waveform. Thank you.